Morning, YouTubers. Down at another place, not at Cedar Bluff. All right, so I'm going to get 3 lines in. I've been here before. I've camped here, I wasn't supposed to, but anyway, all I've caught was a sturgeon and a drum here. So hopes aren't too high, but let's give it a shot. Yeah, let's go take a little journey upriver, see what we got going on. Bridge pillars aren't too far away. That might be a good spot. Not too worried about the poles. If I was, I wouldn't even be doing this. So it just gives you the idea of how much I don't catch here. That's pretty cool. It's on the bridge pillar. But I didn't have a side-by-side. Looks like this goes back a ways. Might as well check it out. Alright, too many mosquitoes. I'm afraid to go to them other 2 places because it's all grass, so they're going to be full of bugs. Oop, got a bite, got a bite. And he's gone. Shit. Still got some. Let's put it back out, same spot. Alright. It's not the same spot, but we'll give it a shot. It's barely off the shore. Well, Cedar Valley was a bust. I'm out here at Cedar Bluff. Goddamn bugs are bad here too. Fish on. Drum. Little drum. Look at all these bugs. These things are terrible.